Baby, you don't know me any more than I know you, and I wouldn't blame you if you walked away. I've been watching you living with the teardrops in your eyes, and it touches me much more than I can say. You know I hate to think that someone could have hurt someone like you, and if I was him, I'll be right by your side. Lay your troubles on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me a while. Lay your troubles on my shoulders, put yours in my pocket, rest your love on me a while. Saw you in the corner from the moment I walked in. Saw your lonely face across the room. No, I won't forget it, and the way it might have been. Why did you have to leave so soon? You know I hate to think that someone would have loved instead of me, and at times like this I'll be right by your side. Lay your troubles on my shoulders, put yours in my pocket, rest your love on me a while. Lay your troubles on my shoulders, put yours in my pocket, rest your love on me a while. Last train to go home, not the thing that I was born so soon. Just never know how to begin. Oh, oh, lay your troubles on my shoulders, put yours in my pocket, rest your love on me a while. Lay your troubles on my shoulders, put yours in my pocket, rest your love on me a while.